Hello and welcome, my dear students. Today we are going to learn an interesting poem from your Bal Bharati textbook, that is Washday, written by Elizabeth F. Upson. Children, what are you watching on the screen? Yes, it is an ocean. Ocean means big sea, where small seas are joined together. It forms an ocean. We can say a very big sea is called an ocean. So children, you might have come to know that we are going to learn a poem that is related to ocean. And the name of that poem is Washday. So come on children, let us first read the poem. Washday. Mrs. Ocean takes in washing every day the whole year through, and she uses so much bluing that it stains the water blue. I have seen the soap suds floating when the waves were rough and high, but I never have discovered where she hangs the clothes to dry. By Elizabeth F. Upson. So children, what do you mean by wash day? Wash day is a day on which all the household clothes are washed, especially on the same day. So that is called as wash day. Now let us understand the meaning of this poem, children. Okay children, first of all tell me, whenever your clothes gets dirty, who washes your clothes at home? Yes, of course, your mother, isn't it? Mostly mother only washes our clothes. The women in the house do the washing work, and that is why the poetess is calling the ocean as Mrs. Ocean. Now children, see the first line of the poem. Mrs. Ocean takes in washing every day the whole year through. Children, the whole year means throughout the year. Here, the poetess is telling that Mrs. Ocean is washing the clothes every day and throughout the year. Now, children, tell me, is the ocean really washing clothes? No, the ocean is not washing clothes. So this poem is the imagination of the poetess that the ocean is washing clothes. So children, this is a very imaginative poem. Here the poet calls the ocean Mrs. Ocean and says that she washes clothes every day throughout the year. Now the second line, children. And she uses so much bluing that it stains the water blue. Bluing means blue substance that is used to make yellowing clothes look whiter. Children, here is a picture of bluing, the blue color liquid which is added to the clothes while washing the clothes. Stains means colors. So, the Mrs. Ocean is using so much bluing liquid that it stains the water blue. The ocean water looks blue. So, children, poetess is telling that Mrs. Ocean uses so much of the blue substance that it makes all the water turn blue. Now the next line, children. I have seen the soap suds floating when the waves were rough and high. Soap suds means foam or lather formed in soapy water. So children, here in this line, the poetess is saying that I have seen the soap suds floating on the ocean. See, this is a picture of soap suds. We see soap suds when mother uses detergent powder with the water. Yes, children? So, the poetess is telling that when the waves were rough and they were high, I have seen the soap suds floating. Okay, students, understood this line? Now, see the last line, children. But I never have discovered where she hangs the clothes to dry. Children, here the poet is saying that Mrs. Ocean is washing clothes, and that is not for one day. She is washing the clothes every day throughout the year. And she is also adding so much bluing. That is why water is blue in color. And the poetess has also seen the soap suds floating on the waves. But the poetess is wondering that she has never seen clothes hanging to dry. Children, after washing the clothes, we have to dry them, isn't it? But around the seashore, are there any poles or ropes to dry the clothes? We have never seen these clothes drying near the seashore. Same way, the poetess has also not seen any clothes drying near the seashore. That is why the poetess is wondering, where does Mrs. Ocean hangs the clothes to dry? Okay, children. So, this is a very imaginative poem. Here, the poet calls the ocean Mrs. Ocean and says that she washes clothes every day throughout the year. Mrs. Ocean uses so much of the blue substance that it makes all the water turn blue. The poet adds that she has seen the lather formed when the waves are rough and high, but she says she has never yet found out where Mrs. Ocean hangs all the clothes to dry. Hope you all have understood the poem, children. Now, come on, let us recite the poem.
Washday. Mrs. Ocean takes in washing every day the whole year through, and she uses so much bluing that it stains the water blue. I have seen the soap suds floating when the waves were rough and high, but I never have discovered where she hangs the clothes to dry.
Okay, students, isn't it was an interesting poem? Now, recite the poem at home by heart it properly. Okay? Till then, goodbye, thank you, and see you soon.